Hello everyone, Hiltos here, and I'm here to show you how to finish setting up your Peerplays witness node. So first we're going to open up the CLI wallet with the -s flag. I'm going to put an API node here. This allows us to connect to an already running chain. This opens up our brand new wallet. So I'm going to have to set a password. I'll use pass here. And then we will unlock the new wallet. Now we can use the get private key from password command, which looks like this. We'll put in our username and password that we created when we created our account. This shows us our private and public owner key. We'll make sure to copy and paste this so we can save it for later. Now we're going to import this key into our new wallet. So we use our username, and here we are going to use our private key. If this returns true, then that was successful. We're going to run the get private key from password again. This time we will use this for our active key. This will give us our private and public key for the active role. We'll import this key as well, making sure to use our private key. And when the command returns true, we know that that was a success. Now we can create our witness. We'll enter our username, and we have the opportunity to enter a URL. This is for putting a witness proposal together, but we will leave it blank in our case here. We've created our witness account, and we have all the details, including our new signing key. We can get the private key of our signing key from our public key now that we have our owner and our active keys imported into our wallet. So here is our private signing key. Make sure to save that for later as well. So these are the keys that we have in our wallet. We'll use the get witness command, and this returns some information about our new witness. We're most interested in the witness ID. Here that is 1.6.96, so we'll save that for later as well. We can exit the wallet with the quit command, and we can go to our witness data directory to make edits to the config.ini file. There are a lot of settings in this file, but right now we're going to focus on the seed node. For the seed nodes option here, we're just going to put an empty array. For seed node, I'm going to use a publicly available seed API node, and I'll enter in some checkpoints here. And these are available on our documentation site. Now I'll enter the witness ID 1.6.96, and I will replace the default signing key here with our public and private signing key. Our config.ini file is complete, so we will save and quit, and all that's left to do is to run our witness node. So our witness node is up and running. We just have to wait until it's fully synced with our blockchain.